Shout out to Ninjutsu, Lara, Tonton, Kobe, Go, Brian, Ellen, Jab Jab, Liz, by Jim. Asa man to? Si Marks, si Clint. So very enjoying ride, afternoon ride. So see you later, guys. But first, one more flyby sa Red Cliff. Bye bye, kita-kits next Sunday. One more. One more. Okay, we're gonna do one more flyby. We're gonna do one more flyby, and I hope that this is not a jinx flyby. So please protect me, Lord God Almighty. I don't want to crash in front of these people. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it slow, a slow flyby. Okay, slow flyby. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that was it. That's how you do a flyby. So it wasn't the fastest flyby of them all, but it was the safest, because that was the speed that I was most comfortable at, around 90 plus. Okay, and that's how you ride, how you're supposed to ride, you know, on public roads. You're not supposed to test your limits on public roads because they're public, and that means everyone else can use the roads, not just you. So goodbye Red Cliff. So as you can see, there's Red Cliff here, a lot of people. Bye bye, bye bye. Okay, and that's it. I'm now going home, and that is it for me today. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great Sunday afternoon. GoPro turn off.